Hey people, welcome back to my channel. So today, quick one guys, I am making uh banana coconuts. That is the word smoothie. Anyway, I'll just make for the kids. I want to put some in the popsicle here. So just trying to let you know this video is about the things you could use in your kitchen to spice up your kids' life. Do things that will make your kids happy, that they would enjoy. You don't have to buy ice cream in the stores, sweet things, so you could always explore the healthy routes. Coconuts and banana. So I'm sure there's a lot of good in the body of adults and children, right guys? Anyway, enough of that story. I'm going to be blending my bananas and coconuts. I'll put in popsicle here and I'll show you guys how we can just, I'm all about twists and turns and how to give ideas on what to use in your kitchen, tips, tricks, and how to use your kitchen to make your kitchen interesting, to make your kids' life interesting, so that when they grow up, they have memories to say, oh, when I was a little child, my mom did this, my mom did that. Just petty memories, basically, guys. Let's see how we do it. Hey guys, we're going to be peeling our bananas. Sure, this banana is not very ripe. It's supposed to be very easy to open. You have to be using a knife. Anyway, we're still on track. Let's keep some for our senior man. He doesn't like coconuts, so this one is okay for you to use, right?
Yes.
But we're being fair now.
Yes.
I don't want coconut to you that you don't like coconuts. So guys, I'm breaking my coconuts now, and I'll add the water and the coconuts. So guys, I have my here with me my shredded coconuts that I have broken. I have here my coconut water. Well, many of you guys heard about this myth, so when we're growing up there, they'll tell you that if you drink coconut water, you'll be a dance in class. A lie. Coconut water is very good for the brain. Cognitive benefits it has for you. So guys, I think it's thick, so let us try and put a little bit of water to ease it off. I think this is okay. Our popsicle is about to show its share. All right, guys. You could quite give this to your babies too. So thick and creamy. This is for the kids, and this one is for mommy wa. Guys, I am keeping this one for myself, so when I feel peckish and I don't want to go down the Ijekuje lane, you know what I mean, sweet tooth lane, I just open my freezer and take it. So I'm giving you ideas on what you could nibble on. You could just, whet your appetites. If you are feeling like a sugar craving kind of thing. So guys, coconut banana smoothie is ready. Ice cream. So this is going to be straight to the freezer. Okay, and this one is for the mommies and daddies in the house. So our coconut banana smoothie is ready. My freezer live of a caterer. Freezer of a caterer is always full. So I'll put one in color here for so no interference of any food. This is just going to sit pretty here and come back and see how it forms. Okay.
The next day.
Guys, our popsicle is ready. Check it out. Don't you like what you see? So if you do know you like what you saw, do well to like, share, and subscribe. And of course, if you want to make this thing for your, I say this thing. If you want to make popsicles, what we have here is banana and coconuts for your kiddies, and of course for you too. You see, mama, if you enjoy. Join me. So guys, also about to like, share, subscribe. I'll first see you in my next videos. So cheers. Cheers. Maya.